SB19 Styles reply to a hate comment will defo make you laugh. So 118 shared a screenshot on X wherein a netizen commented to them, "Kaso ba't parang pare-pareho lang kanta ng SB19? An 18 replied, "Oo pre, akala ko nga mapa to, sobrang parehas kasi ng tunog." And with this, Styles sent a video reply na siguradong mapapatawa ka.
Dahil ikaw